Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual, I'll get to it. So, really quite happy with this page. She had quite an interesting features and layout. The third one, as you can see, is actually the closest to the original reference photo. The first one, I've put the eyes far too wide set, and the second one, the nose, is a little bit too short. And also the first one, I was a little bit heavy-handed on the lines on the nose. So utilising geometric and observational methods combined with good speed, creating the feedback loop. Feedback loop is all important for the information you need to basically improve and what to keep and how to keep going with your learning and also keep yourself accountable as well, essentially. So the combining all these methods has been able to allow me to get to this level. I wouldn't have been able to do these 6 months ago, and continuous practice I've been able to get to this level now. So I'm super happy, and I'm just wondering what another 6 months is going to look like in my art skills, beg your pardon. Stay tuned, join the journey with me, and I shall see you next time. Thanks guys.